Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we have the second part of the music producing series, or whatever you want to call it, but this is the second part. And in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your audio, all the music that you have, how to edit it. And we're using one application called Lexus Audio Editor. So let's move on to the phone screen. Let's get started. So I'm on my phone screen right now and I'm onto Lexus Audio Editor actually. So this is the interface that you're going to be seeing. So this is some kind of a dial or something. What happens if you increase it, the voice in which the audio is going to be increased, like the voice is going to be louder through the microphone which you're recording. So you can use it. It's a really nice feature. Then you have play, pause, record, and some stop features that are not very important. You obviously know this spot stop, but this is not very important. It's just so what you do is you go here and click on this record button like this, and then you just record your audio. It's not recording my audio right now because I'm already screen recording, so I'm just quickly going to be recording an audio and coming back. So I've got this audio done and you can listen to it once. Obviously I'm not singing or something, but I'm just speaking, and you're gonna notice just some changes obviously there. So just listen to it once. Hey, this is an audio that I'm recording so that I can teach you how to edit Lexus Audio Editor. Let's see. There you go. So now let's just do some editing stuff. So first you want to click on these three dots and then hit on effects. Now you have all these options. You can do them. You can, it's completely your choice if you want to do them. So change pitch, change tempo, change speed, reverse, and all these is your choice. All these are your choices. So if you want to do some of these, then you can do it. If you don't want to, which I don't want to, so I'm not going to do it. But some necessary changes are going to be right here. So first you're going to go into noise reduction and just set these levels according to you: threshold, rate, attack, and release. But I guess these settings are the best settings, so set these according to you. It's completely your wish, and then just do it. Okay, and then just apply, and you can even listen to it by clicking on that play button. So now you have it a bit like smaller or something. What that did was it removed the ambient noise. Now you click on these three dots again, and then you go into effects again, and then you go into compressor. Now what compressor does, it compresses some of the notes, some of the higher notes that are there that are very disturbing and very bad to the ears. So it's going to compress some of the notes. So you click on compress, and you can set this again according to yourself, and just hit on apply button. Okay, so it decreased it more. So the last thing that you want to do is go into effects. Now all this is not necessary. Okay, I'm telling you the meanings with what it I'm telling you all the meanings of all these, and actually that went wrong. I'm telling you the meanings. So yeah, that was a tip. Whatever you do, if you want to undo that action, you can click on this undo. So I'm telling you all these things with their meanings. So if you want to do them, do them. If you don't want to do them, don't do them, because they're not necessary in all of them. It's not necessary that all of the songs have noise in them. So you can check that for yourself. Now equalizer, what it does is it equalizes some of the notes, okay, which are again a bit disturbing, either very low or very high. So it equalizes and amplifies the notes a bit. So you can go ahead and click on that, and again set it up to you, but I like to set it in the middle this time. So you click on apply here, and there you go. Your final audio is ready, until and unless you want to change something in the pitch or something. So you can take a look at this. Hey, this is an audio that I'm recording so that I can teach you how to use Audio Editor. There you go. I'm sure you notice a little bit of change here. So in the first place, if you didn't like your recording in just the first place, then you can click on this open button and hit on discard and open new file. In the first place, if you didn't like it, but I like it right now as I've made all the changes and something. So if you like your audio after you've edited it, just click on save and just put a name to it, something. I'm just gonna do that. I don't care. So hit on save button, and there you go. Your task is done, and this is a complete amazing track. And the paid version of Lexus Audio Editor is I've not tried it yet, so I can't say anything about it, but it has got good reviews, so you can check that out. But I've not tried that yet. I'm surely gonna do it sometime and tell you. But this was about Lexus Audio Editor, the basic things that you need to know. So that is it for this phone screen right now. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed, be sure to leave a like and comment down below. Ask me your questions, whatever questions you have. But if I don't answer, then follow me on my Instagram and ask me questions there at AandA TV. So that's gonna be it for this video. Subscribe, click that right button, make it grey, become a part of AandA TV. That's gonna be it for this video. Bye bye, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.